Good afternoon, this is Prashant from ISP working as a design engineer. This is a shaft assembly and we are heating the bearing by induction process on the device induction heater. So this is a bearing wherein we are going to heat the bearing to up to 200 degrees C and working range is up to 250 degrees C. And here you can see this hot plate. The working range of this hot plate is 200 degrees C. We'll come back to this. Mainly the process is to on the device. Initially there is a two modes. One is temperature mode and the other is time mode. Basically we are working on temperature mode. Okay. We need here are some buttons wherein you can toggle between temperature mode and time mode. So initially I am going with temperature mode. So I am going to press this and set the temperature to around 200 degrees C.
The temperature is enough for this bearing. That's my
Now you can see that 200 degrees C we have set, which is enough for this kind of bearing. So I'll begin the heating process through induction. Say I'll start the button, pressing the start stop button, and this process will take around 2 to 3 minutes for it to get heated.
to reach 200 degrees.
Meanwhile, these are the specifications for induction process as well as hot plate process. Okay. And meanwhile, when you are getting any errors, here are the errors for which display and faults can be troubleshooted using this table. So it takes around 2 to 3 minutes. So till then we have to wait, and directly we can press on the bearing to the shaft. After heating, you can take this and press it. We can see that this 200 degrees C is achieved. Now what I am going to do here is I am going to press the start stop button, wherein after that we are going to unplug this plug and remove this part from here. Okay. It's too hot to be handled. Now this is the one which is heated at 200 degrees C. Now I'm going to press this, butting the face on this side. Okay.
Right hand. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇವಾಗ ಶಾಫ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬಿಡಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೆತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಶಾಫ್ಟು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
So this is how the bearing is assembled to the shaft, and this is complete part of a shaft and a bearing assembly. I'll add a few things. So for this there is a work instruction which is being displayed over here. So there is a stepwise procedure showing the shaft assembly, shaft and rotor assembly, and the stepwise we need to collect all these bearings. Say the model number is 6203 and 6303 as shown here. This is the device which you are working in, heating the induction, heating the bearing through induction. So initially you are heating the bigger one and then the smaller one, completing the shaft and bearing. Here are few precautionary things which you need to maintain while doing the induction motor. That is, you need to wear the gloves and no mobile phones. You are not taking any mobile phones, and moreover you are not wearing any watches, say electronic gadgets. You are not supposed to use, because of the induction which is going to take place. It affects all these electronic gadgets. So this completes the induction process of heating a bearing and the whole shaft and bearing assembly. Thank you.